Hello my dear students, we will continue our previous chapter trigonometric functions. Today we will see the general solution. First of all, what is meant by general solution? The solution of trigonometric equation which is generalized by using its periodicity is called its general solution. Now see which formula are applicable for the general solution. The first formula, sin theta equal to sin alpha, implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha. Second formula, cos theta equal to cos alpha, implies theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to z. And third one, tan theta equal to tan alpha, implies theta equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, now we will see the first sum in the exercise 3.1. Now see, I have written the sum. Sin theta is equal to half. What is the question? Find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Now see, sin theta is equal to half. We can write this sin theta is equal to, for which angle sin theta is half? We know that sin 30 degree is half. 30 degree means pi by 6. So it is sin pi by 6. And now use this formula. Which formula is applicable? By using sin theta equal to sin alpha, implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha, and n belongs to z. This is the formula. Now see, what is theta here? Theta same. What is alpha? Alpha is pi by 6. Substitute the value of alpha only. Therefore, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n. Alpha is pi by 6, which is the required general solution. Of the trigonometric equation. Okay, now we'll take the second one. Second sum. Sec theta equal to root 2. Okay, we know that reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta, and cos theta means 1 upon sec theta. Sec theta equal to root 2. Therefore, we can write cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now see, for which angle cos theta is 1 upon root 2? We know that cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. 45 degree means pi by 4. 5 upon 4. So this we can write cos theta equal to cos pi by 4. And now use the second formula. What is the second formula? Cos theta equal to cos alpha, implies theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, and it belongs to z, and is an integer. So by using cos theta equal to cos alpha, implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, and belongs to z. Now what is alpha? Theta sine. Cos theta equal to cos alpha. Alpha is, compare these two, we will get alpha. Alpha is equal to pi by 4. So this becomes theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha is pi by 4. You can take common, otherwise keep as it is. N belongs to z, which is required general solution, which is, here also we can write n belongs to z, which is required general solution. Okay, first I have taken sin theta, secondly I have taken sec theta. फर्स्ट के लिए फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यूज किया, सेकंड के लिए सेकंड फॉर्मूला यूज किया. नाउ वी टेक द थर्ड टाइप. Okay, now see the third sum. Tan 2 theta upon 3 equal to root 3. Question is find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. We have to find general solution. Now see the given equation tan 2 theta upon 3 equal to root 3. From this we can write tan 2 theta upon 3 equal to, for which angle tan theta is root 3. We know that tan 60 degree is root 3. 60 degree means pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 equal to root 3. So we replace root 3 by tan pi by 3. So this becomes tan pi by 3. Okay, now use the third formula. What is the third formula? By using tan theta equal to tan alpha implies theta equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to z, n is an integer. By using tan theta equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to z. Now in this case, what is the value of theta? Here tan theta equal to tan 2 theta by 3. It means actually theta is equal to 2 theta by 3 and alpha is equal to pi by 3. So substitute the values. This becomes 2 theta upon 3 is equal to n pi plus alpha is pi by 3. Now simplify this. Here n also belongs to z. Now take pi common and multiply by 3 by 2. So this 3 upon 2. Take pi common in bracket n plus 1 by 2. You can multiply by 3 by 2. You can simplify it. Otherwise keep as it is. Which is the required general solution? Which is required general solution of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, now we take the next one. We have taken first three sums for the positive numbers, solution of trigonometric equation for positive numbers. Now we take for negative numbers. Now the next one, cosec theta equal to minus root 2. Cosec theta equal to minus root 2. Now see on right hand side negative number is there. Okay. Now here on left hand side there is cosec theta. What is the reciprocal of cosec theta? Reciprocal of cosec theta is sin theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. From this we can write sin theta is equal to minus, for which angle sin theta is 1 upon root 2. We know that sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. 45 degree means pi by 4. So this we can write sin pi by 4. And then use the formula. Sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, we can use this formula in the reverse order. In this case, theta is equal to pi by 4. So this can be written as sin theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus sin theta is equal to sin pi plus theta. Theta is pi by 4. Sin pi plus pi by 4. So this can be written as sin theta is equal to sin 4 into pi, 4 pi plus pi, that is 5 pi upon 4. And then use first formula. By using first formula, sin theta equal to sin alpha implies, sin theta equal to sin alpha implies n pi theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha, n belongs to z. What is theta? Theta is 10. What is alpha? Alpha is 5 pi upon 4. Therefore, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into 5 pi upon 4. N belongs to Z. We can take pi common, otherwise keep as it is, which is the required general solution. Which is required general solution of trigonometric equation. Okay, isn't it? Do you understand? Anything else? Okay, now we see the fifth sum. Sec 3x is equal to minus 2. Trigonometric equation is given and we have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Sec 3x equal to minus 2. We know that reciprocal of sec theta is equal to cos theta. Sec means 1 upon cos, cos means 1 upon sec. So sec 3x we can write sec ka reciprocal cos 3x. Cos 3x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, is cos 3x is equal to minus, for which angle cos theta is half? For which angle cos theta is half? Cos 60 degree is half. 60 degree means pi by 3. So half can be replaced as cos pi by 3. And now use this formula. Cos pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Formula reverse apply कीजिए. If we take theta is equal to pi by 3, it becomes minus cos pi by 3. So if we take theta equal to pi by 3, it becomes minus cos pi by 3. Minus cos pi by 3 becomes cos pi minus pi by 3 by replacing theta equal to pi by 3. So this becomes cos 3x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Okay, by using the formula cos pi minus theta equal to minus cos theta. This can be written as cos 3x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Simplify कीजिए, 3 into pi, 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi upon 3. Cos 3x is equal to cos 2 pi upon 3. We have to find the general solution. Use this formula. What is the formula? Cos theta equal to cos alpha. What is theta? Theta equal to 3x. Cos alpha, alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. So by using cos theta equal to cos alpha implies theta equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha n belongs to z. Now substitute the values of theta and alpha only. What is theta? Theta is equal to 3x 2n pi plus minus alpha is 2 pi upon 3. N belongs to z. Now on right hand side you can take 2 pi common and divide by this. Take the cross multiplication. So this becomes x is equal to 2 pi common, so it is 2 pi upon 3. In bracket what will remain? N plus minus 2 pi common 1 upon 3. N belongs to z, which is the required general solution. Which is required general solution of the trigonometric equation. Now we take one more sum. Cot 4 theta is equal to minus 1 for negative numbers. Okay, we know that reciprocal of cot is tan and reciprocal of tan is cot. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta. So cot 4 theta equal to minus 1. From this we can write tan 4 theta is also equal to minus 1. Minus 1 upon 1, that is 1 upon minus 1, that is also minus 1. From this we can write tan 4 theta is equal to minus, for which angle tan theta is equal to 1. We know that tan 45 degree is what? 45 degree is pi by 4. Okay, so 1 replaced by pi by 4. So this can be written as tan pi by 4. Negative minus tan theta. See this formula. Tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Take theta is equal to pi by 4. It becomes minus tan pi by 4. Okay, minus tan pi by 4 we can write by using this formula tan pi minus pi by 4. So formula आपको रिवर्स अप्लाई करना है. So this becomes tan 4 theta equal to tan minus tan pi by 4. थीटा का वैल्यू pi by 4 लीजिए तो minus tan pi by 4 होगा. Minus tan pi by 4 का वैल्यू होगा tan pi minus pi by 4. So this becomes pi minus pi by 4. So this can be written as tan 4 theta is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4. 4 into pi, 4 pi. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi upon 4. And now use the third formula. What is the third formula? Tan theta equal to tan alpha implies theta equal to n pi plus alpha. So by using tan theta equal to tan alpha implies theta equal to n pi plus alpha where n belongs to z. N is an integer. Now substitute the value of theta. In this case tan 4 theta equal to tan theta. Means actually our theta is equal to 4 theta and alpha is equal to 3 pi by 4. So this becomes 4 theta is equal to n pi plus alpha is 3 pi upon 4. So this becomes, from this we can write, take pi common, cross multiplication 0 4 तो ये होगा pi by 4 n plus 3 upon 4 where n belongs to z, which is the required general solution. Which is required general solution of given trigonometric equation. Subscribe.